I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by picking the right hardware. Use a Huawei Supercharge or a USB-C PD charger rated 40W or higher because charging protocols control speed. Once you connect the official cable, make sure it's not frayed. A bad cable drops current. Plug directly into a grounded wall outlet rather than a laptop USB port, and make the connection first before enabling any software tweaks, so the phone negotiates the fastest charge immediately. Once charging has begun, optimize software. Put the phone in airplane mode or do not disturb to stop network activity that wakes the CPU, because less processing means more current goes into the battery. Next, turn the screen off or lock it. Brightness and animations burn power and slow net charging. Also close resource hungry apps and disable Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and GPS if you're not using them, so the battery's temperature and charge acceptance stay optimal. Finish by letting the battery reach 80 to 90% for the fastest practical refill. Topping to 100% is slower and stresses the battery. If charging is still slow, try a different official charger and cable, reboot the phone to clear stuck processes, and inspect or gently clean the USB-C port. Debris can drop current. Make sure the device stays cool. If it exceeds about 35 degrees Celsius, charging will throttle. If problems persist, test another outlet or visit service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.